Whakawelahi maha ki D.B. Sorensen. Whakawhalahi atu ki te tūlo se mga honei. Whakaue ki whakawhahe atua ko mai ke te tūlu ki whakalataha mai ki a whiawhi nei. Ki whiawhia uloa mo whakaheke ke hiki. Ha ko mai ke tūtulu ki whakalataha mai mo whiawhia mo whakaheke te tūlu ki he atua. Sir Collin Tukuitonga. Koe nawa mo whakaheke mo tūlu ki he hiki. Hako koe, koe tamani ue. Koe whakaue mai tolu ke atua he langi, ke hau tau ngā hua. E le veki mai he iki a koe, mai he mone whanaua koe i tonga lupo. Ke hau o tau matua, Tukuitonga, Soveleni, manatu e mau tolu. Koe whakaue mai tolu ke atua ke hangata taki anga mai, moi mawhola, hoko mai ke aho nei. Ko whiawhia loa tau tolu ke he whale nei. Mo whakaheke a tau tolu. Collin, thank you, Debbie, for doing that job of acknowledging all our dignitaries here. I will not repeat it, but I just want to say thank you to our Heavenly Father for bringing us here, first and foremost. Secondly, Collin, you have said it in your speech, and I know that you wrote it down. 3 things is your faith, your family, and your community. 3 things are very important to you. And these are the 3 things that started with you in the beginning of your life, beginning of your journey. And those were the foundational things that have led you right up to this time. Thank you. So we're so grateful. I was written a speech. This is what I wrote, and this is what I'm going to use. Koe whakaueni, and also you put up there, I'm standing here on behalf, first of all, there's 2 parts of this. One of them is your academic family, your academic whānau, including me, so that I don't cry. I got a tissue. We are really grateful. We really thank the Lord for being a pioneer and a trailblazer for a lot of us that have followed through. An inspiration, we look up to you. Secondly to that also, some of us, have looked up to you, have been inspired, encouraged, and we've followed the path. As you said, you're an academic activist. And we're really grateful for that, because if it wasn't for yourself and some of the other pioneers, and late Sister Lekfina and others have led the way for a lot of us, and we acknowledge and we're really grateful. I also stand here on all our Pacifica academics here in the University of Auckland. We're grateful, and we're so thankful to Putokora Kiwa Pacific Health. So Jemima Tia Siau and all the clan here, we're really grateful for all the hard work and trailblazing for us. And just bringing a bit of home now, there were a couple of really prominent people on the island of Niue that gave a speech and acknowledging you for the work you've done. This was your knighthood. I'm really sorry. It's taken me a while to remember to bring it, but I thought it would be a great platform here to say also from the Island of Niue, if you can bring it on, please. This is Collin's school teacher at primary school.
Collin Tukuitonga. Whakaue ko whirewei e mga honi. Mana tau ke tuku atu hako tau whakaue lahi mahaki. Ke hao tau ngahua, mai he wahaloa. Mai tau ngahua e ne mamunaka kai kia munue ne tau ngahua hao. Moi whiawhia, moi mawhala. Nā kai ni ko koe me hao mangwha. Pia puke me hao tau whakawhitu i ngahua. Mai ke maudoro e tau whaoni loa kai mahi mutu ne ke talatu pia. O e tulo monui ne tau ngahua hao. Haufoki si haufoki.
Just secondly, someone that you will remember, Collin. This is how it previously.
whakaue ke he mga hone ko tuku mai ki au e li lifuia ke whai kupu ke lata mo e matua hatau tōru ne tuku angia i he whakatopono Nisilani e Sir ke ia. He deserves it. And we are proud of it. And it inspires us to do better by his example. Whakaue matua ha kua moe koe lirifuia ke whakaako ka mautoro. Hake ai, tōrunga e tau loto mautoro hako koe. Oe tutulo ke a whamruina hea tua koe me hawa moui ke ne wala moui ne toi ke manako mautoro ke moe mautoro e malolo ia. The God-given energy and power and love ke lata mo koe ke whakakise mai ke mautoro. Monuina ke ingoa he matua mai tama mai anga tapu. Amen.
Sir Collin, my dad used to work with Sir Collin as well. They also send their love to you and acknowledging all the work you do. Richard Hipper that you put up is my cousin. Dr. Dick Hipper is actually my uncle, is my mum's brother. So really feel that, that aroha, that whaalofa. And also, Sir Collin, if we haven't been supportive in any way at all, sometimes it's Niuean, sometimes we're very critical, we do apologize and we say sorry. We'd like to work together with you and do really well, as we all, we're very proud of you, and on, as Niueans, we're very proud of what you do and you've achieved. We're all very proud, and we just really pray that God will continue to guide, lead, direct you, give you the wisdom, the understanding, the knowledge to guide us also. We're all looking up to you. We're so grateful. And with that, we're just so thankful to everyone, even including the ones in Niue who are listening to me. And God bless you all.